Hello. Okay, so this video is just to go into C language error codes that you can get, and I wanted to see them. So I did a little searching and found that the possible codes that are available to the C language are put in a header file called error number, and they're in this folder, usr/include, and there it is, error number header file. So what I should see is a whole bunch of define keywords in it. We'll just vim into it real quick. And yeah, these right here. So rather than go through the whole file, although it's not that big, it's just 55 lines. If I go to the bottom, capital G, yeah, the less, so it's only 55 lines. But to make it easier on myself, we can do grep define and search for define in that file. And it turns out there's only two define lines in there. So that means they're somewhere else. And so then eventually I arrived at, okay, well, what are the include keywords in here? So let's do the same search and we'll replace this with include. And so it brings in this header, three header files, right? This, and this. But the one of interest is this one. So I'm going to jump over to another tab and just wanted to point out that there's multiple error number header files with this command right here. Find within this folder include files named errno.h. And I also wanted to do a line count per error number.h file. So I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these files, and it did a word count with this one having the most. So I eventually I found out that this is the one that holds all the error codes. But to arrive at this one, the journey is like so. So we start with this one, right? And then user include error number header file, and as you can see in that file, user include error number header file, it includes bits.error number h. So let's go back up here. And we want to do a grep for include. Grep, oops, just, so I can keep that list up there. I'm going to go to the next window. Grep, search for the word include. This time for the bin, what was it? Bits, I'm sorry, bits/error number. So going back to this tab, bits, where's bits? So this is, so apparently this is the only one that has bits in there. So I'm going to try that one and include that whole path. So user include x86 GNU bits. Oh, there we go. So we're going to look at all the includes in here. And the reason why I'm looking for include instead of just jumping to define, just to see how many defines are in this file, which holds 53 lines, is because I already know that it's this one. So I'm just going to save us the step and just show you the chain of jumps by way of includes. So we're going to enter here. And this one includes the Linux/error number header file. So it jumps to this one, which is only one line. So instead of doing the grep, I'm just going to cat the whole file, which is the whole one line file. User include Linux. There it is. And there's the whole file. It has one include, and it's in ASM/error number header. And yeah, so it looks like it should be this one, right? I mean, it's this one says ASM also, but it's ASM-generic. So I just want to make sure that the path, I think it goes to this one next. So let's do that one. And it also is only one line. So I'm going to cat that one. So that was also x86, GNU, ASM. There we go. And this whole file of one line points to ASM generic/error number.header, header, which is this guy, and that's going to be your final destination. So let's see. What do we want to do here? So we're gonna. Oh, well, yeah. Let's. If I wanted to see what this one includes, I think it points to something. It also grabs from other files, but really, I just want to look at the lines of define in this one. But still, I'll just, for completeness, I'll do that. I'll look at what include lines are in this one. So let's include ASM generic error number H. Oh wait, did I do include or define? Oh, I catted. Sorry. So I'm going to do grep and include, and can I do that? Will that work? Yeah. Okay. So that only includes one other file, which is this one, error number base, but that's outside of the scope of what this is which is define the error number codes. And yeah, I don't have that listed up here, right? This is error number base, and I'm looking for an error number header file. So okay, so instead of seeing what includes are in this file, we're going to look at the file itself and see its contents. So then that would be vim. What was the whole file path? User include ASM, user include ASM. There it is. And there we go. Here's all the error codes, right? The name, the code name, I guess, and the error code number, and then what this cryptic code name means by way of comment. It just tells you what the, let's see, do I recognize any of these error codes? Because I am a beginner, so a lot of these look esoteric. But yeah, that's how you find all the oops, let me get out of this. Escape, escape, quit, no save. That's how you find the error number file that holds all the error codes.